Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a role in Warpath Ace Shooter. To delete a role in Warpath Ace Shooter, first of all, launch the Warpath game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the game, tap on the profile icon at the top left and this will open up the commander profile. From the menu, tap on Options at the bottom right, and from the Options menu, go ahead and select Roles. Now, select the role you want to delete and click on the Delete Role button at the bottom. But remember that you cannot delete your current roles, so make sure to switch between a different role first, and once you do that, choose the role you want to delete and tap on Delete Role at the bottom. Select the statement that applies to you. Make sure to choose the second option and then tap on the OK button and click on Confirm Deletion. Go ahead and select your region for deleting the role and click on Submit. And there you have successfully deleted a role on Warpath Ace Shooter. And that's how you delete a role. Managing your team's role helps you keep things organized. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.